In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your entire screen using Windows 11 Copilot. This can be particularly useful when you need to demonstrate a task, conduct a live tutorial, or simply want to collaborate more effectively with your team. Let's dive into the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open Windows Copilot. If you aren't sure where to find it, you can typically access it through your taskbar or search for it in the Start menu. It's a powerful tool that offers a variety of features to enhance productivity and communication. Once you have Windows Copilot open, the next thing you'll do is look for the camera or vision icon within the Copilot pane. This icon is crucial because it's what allows you to control the screen sharing function. Clicking on this icon is your first step towards sharing your screen with others. After clicking the camera or vision icon, you will be prompted to allow screen capture or desktop access. This step is important as it ensures that Copilot has the necessary permissions to broadcast your screen. Make sure to grant the access to facilitate the sharing process without any hitches. Now, with permissions granted, you're ready to share your entire screen. This involves selecting the appropriate screen or monitor you wish to share, ensuring your audience can see everything you want them to. A tip here, before you proceed, it's a good idea to close any private or sensitive windows that you don't want others to see, maintaining both professionalism and privacy. While sharing your screen, you can actively interact with Copilot. This interaction can involve guiding your audience through processes, explaining specific functions in detail, or answering queries in real time as you demonstrate. Remember, communication is key during this phase. Be clear and articulate as you walk through each action on your screen. When you've finished your session and no longer need to share your screen, stopping the screen sharing is straightforward. Simply click the vision or camera icon again. This action will cease the screen broadcast and return your settings to their default state, ensuring that your privacy is reinstated once you've concluded your sharing session. By following these steps, sharing your entire screen using Windows 11 Copilot becomes a seamless process. This functionality not only allows for effective communication but also enhances collaboration, making it a valuable tool for both personal and professional settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and solutions on navigating the digital world with ease.